warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to teach you how to use a digital clock. Let's see. First, plug the digital clock. Second, hold set button for 5 seconds. Now you can setting the time. If you are done, set the time, press set button for 5 seconds once again.
Okay, now I will continue what Mr. Naufal has left us. I will show you how to change the year, date, and months that this digital clock show us. First of all, we have to push this button called year. So now it's showing us the year of whatever. Okay, we can press and hold the set button for 5 seconds. Now we can change the year. It's showing us 2018. We can change it to 2019, and or we can just change it to 2018. Press the set again. Now it changed. We can change the month. Now 11, because today is November, and we press the set again. We can change the date. The date of today is for November. Oh yeah, we can change it to 5, to 3, or to 4 again. Now if we have done changing the month, date, and year, just press and hold the set button again for 5 seconds, and then we are done.
Now I will show you how to change the temperature. If you want to change the temperature, you can press the temperature button. See, now the temperature in Fahrenheit. If you want to change again to Celsius, you can press again the temperature button. As you can see, it's on Celsius now. The next step is you can set the light of the digital clock by pressing the light button. It has many color: white, red, green, blue. What this color? I don't know, man. Pink, purple, blue, no light. Okay, that's all about the digital clock. Thank you.
I want to give you tips about digital clock. The first, don't use digital clock when it's blackout. 2, don't plug digital clock inside closet, because you can. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this information is useful and our score is excellent. Goodbye.